In this section we're going to look at find and replace. Now I've got 3 columns of data here. If I want to go and find something, let's say this is a much larger table, then what I can do is I can click on the Home tab over here, and where it says find and select, I could click on that, and you've got either the find or the replace command up there. So you can use those if you want to. Personally I prefer shortcuts, and if you're used to Microsoft Word it's the same shortcut. So if you press Control F, that brings up the find and replace dialog box. So let's say you want to find the word blue. I'll just type that in. If I click where it says find next, it's found this occurrence of the word blue. If I do find next, it's found another occurrence there. If I do find next, it's this one, and again it's this one here. So that's how you can use the find command. Notice you can also click on where it says find all. This is slightly different from Microsoft Word. If I click on find all, in Word it would actually highlight all the instances. In this case what it's doing is listing all the instances of this particular word, the word blue. So it's saying that it's in cells C6, C7, C11, and if we come down here also C17 and C22, and if we check here we can verify that. So that's how you can find either numbers or text within a large spreadsheet. If I want to do replace instead of find, again I can use the same shortcuts you may know from Microsoft Word. So you can use Control H. If you can't remember that, just remember to click on the Home tab, go over here where it says find and select, and then go to replace. But in this case I'll use the shortcut which is Control H. So notice that it's the same dialog box as before, except that that tab there is find, this one here is replace. So let's say you wanted to find the word blue and replace it with a different word, maybe purple. You just simply type it in, and again you've got various options here. You can say find next, which is probably the safest option. So if I click on that, it's found the next occurrence of the word blue, which is here. And if I want to replace that with the word purple, I just click on replace, and sure enough it's done that. If I click on find next, it's found this one here. Do you want to replace that? Yep, okay. And now I can go find next, and so on and so forth. Now if I just undo that and then press Control H again, you can of course use replace all. So basically you can find all occurrences of the word blue, replace them with purple, and if you click on replace all, it does it all in one go, and it made 5 changes as you can see. And sure enough the word blue has now been replaced by the word purple.